Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
Which of the following alarm system required pressure on both sides of the device that reduce the probability of false alarm? Okay. So in number 16, what is your answer? Build traps, put button, put rail, and double squeeze button. Yung letter B, put rail activator, yung ano niya na, yung kumpletong pangalan, put rail activator. So, guys, itong mga to, yan ang mga bank alarm. It is a type of auxiliary alarm. Okay? So, isulat kung ano yung auxiliary alarm. Pag sinabing auxiliary alarm, ito yung mayroon kang direct contact or connected ka sa isang law enforcement agency or office. You are directly connected. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka natatawag, no, may pipindutin ka lang and then mag-a-alarm. Itong alarm ay nakakonect na. Either iilaw, may iilaw sa police station, or there is some sort of sound indicating that you are in danger or a robbery is in progress. Okay? So, yun ang auxiliary. So, please understand, that is auxiliary alarm. So, dito, ang nakalagay dyan, that reduces the probability of false alarm. Anong sagot? Parehas ng function ang put button at put rail activator. Kasi activated siya by your put, no? So, halos synonymous siya. Ang build traps, guys, it is located at that teller top cash drawer. The teller top cash drawer. Yung build traps. So, hindi siya build traps. The answer is double squeeze button. Okay? Ang tandaan nyo, yung reduces the probability of false alarm or accidental sounding of alarm. It prevents accidental sounding of alarm because you need to press the button twice before the alarm will be activated. Okay? So, letter D, tama si Leanne. Tama yung sagot niya. Ang kulang dito, guys, yung knee or tie button. Knee or tie button, okay? Nandoon under the sa table, nakalagay yung button. So, kahit nakataas ang yung dalawang kamay, by just raising your tie or knee, ma-activate mo na yung alarm. Okay? So, tandaan nyo, it is a type of auxiliary alarm system. Okay. Let us now proceed to number 17. Types of fixed luminary wherein the intensity is focused on the pile of items rather than the background. So number 17, guys, is, now I already explained this kanina. Okay? So what is your answer in number 17? Anong sagot? Okay? The answer, sabi ni Jim B at sabi ni Rose Ann B. Malabo. Ang pinakamalayong sagot dito is incandescent lamp. Kasi incandescent lamp, may common household bulb, bulb na ginagamit sa household. That is not the answer. Then, sumunod na malayong sagot, emergency light. Emergency light, okay, is used when there is an electric failure. So, between glare projection and controlled lighting. So, glare projection kasi, it is focused on the intruder, and the observer remains in the comparative darkness. So, additional info about glare projection. Pakisulat guys, no? So, pakinggan na lang yung sasabihin ko. Okay. It is usually used, no, to light the entrance of an installation, boundaries, and barriers. So, ginagamit ito para lumiwanag ang entrance. Okay? Kasi lalo na kapag may mga taong dumadaan, you need to properly identify them, kaya nakatutok yung glare projection light doon. Station luminary yan guys ha. Yung glare projection at controlled ay station luminary. Ang sagot dito, controlled lighting. Controlled lighting. Okay. At tandaan, I will repeat, the beam, okay, of this light can be adjusted. The intensity of beam or light strip can be adjusted. That is controlled lighting. Okay. Ito, tinanong to ng 2019 board exam. Marami pang meron pang isang nakipagtalo sa narinig ko nung nag-uusap sila kasi guys 2019 board exam, sinamahan ko yung ibang mga estudyante ko sa mismong araw doon sa tumambay ako doon sa nung kanilang break time sa Manila sa Ligard, tambay ako doon. And then para nag-uusap kami mga question na lumabas. And then kung tama ba ang sagot nila, para mabigyan ko rin sila ng assistance. Okay? So, habang kumakain kami, may dalawang criminology na nag-take na nagtatalo. Sabi nung isa, which of the following is the oldest? Sabi, lumabas kasi ito 2019. Oldest type of warning device. Sabi ng isa, buti na lang. May sinabi siyang review center, hindi ko na i-mention. Buti na lang nag-review of dito. Alam ko yung sagot, trumpet. Ganon. Talagang mamuntik na kami malaglag, pinagmalaki pa yung kanyang trumpet. So para kami nalaglag sa upuan. Kasama kami ng isa, hindi pare. Ang sagot is tama si Mark Horn. Tama si Mark Horn. Buti na lang nandito kayo sa one of the best review centers sa country. So, the answer for number 18 is Horn. Okay, guys, let us now proceed to this one, 19. This is a basic question. An additional overhang of barbed wires placed on the top of the vertical perimeter fence, okay, commonly called as, okay, tama si John, tama si Mark. Okay, top guard. Hindi yung barrier. Okay, kasi barrier is a physical structure yan, that prevent an intruder to access to the protected area, protected matters or matters to be protected. So yun yung barrier. Guard control, nasa may entrance, that is not tower guard, Sa mga prison, usually may mga tower guard. The answer is top guard. Ngayon guys, I want you to remember to take note the important characteristics of top guard. Important characteristic of top guard. Mag-umpisa tayo sa number of strands. Ilan ang number of strands? How many strands should be in top guard? Ilang strand sa top guard? So, ilan guys? The answer is 2 to 4 strands. 2 to 4 strands. So, pakisulat. The top guard should should have 2 to 4 strands. How about the distance between the strands? Yung layo ng strand sa isa't isa. How many inches? How many inches? Diba? O, 4 na strand. Then, itong 4 na to, how many inches? Tama si Raven. 6 inches. Okay? How about the angle? The angle. Okay? So, tama si Raven, 6 inches. How about the angle? Angle. Yes, tama si John and Raven. 45 degrees. Question, inward or outward? Inward or outward? Anong sagot? Inward siya or outward? Tama si Mark. Outward. Kasi kapag inward yan, gagawin lang siyang tungtungan, guys, nung magnanakaw or nung intruder. So, outward yan. Another one, okay, how about the distance between the pole? Yung dalawang solid na pole, okay, yung distance niya. Okay, how many feet? Tama na naman sa Raven. 6 feet. So those are the important characteristic of top guard that you should remember. Okay? So let us now proceed to another question. The answer for this one is top guard, guys. No? Okay. So yes, malupit talaga si Raven kasi baka siya na ang susunod na Orteans. Top notcher. Okay. So let us now proceed to number 20. Lighting equipment primarily used to extend the illumination, okay, in a horizontal street to protect the approach to the perimeter barrier, okay. So what is the answer in this one, guys? In number 20, what is the answer? So sabi ni Jodeline, galing din si Jodeline, ha? Okay. So letter A, fresnel light. So ang malayong sagot dito, guys, yung letter D and letter C, ang layo na nun. Kapag yun ang sinagot mo, kailangan pa natin ng matinding pagbabasa. So, hindi C and D ang sagot. So, you will choose between, kasi guys, no, itong dalawang ito, no, katulad din ng floodlights, no, searchlight, then fresnel light, street light, 4 sila, no, na lighting equipment. Okay? 4 sila na lighting equipment. So, kapag sinabi mong, no, okay, ito, no, to extend the illumination, isa pang keyword dyan is a wide beam. Okay? Hindi siya street light. Kasi ang street light, guys, it can be used in the parking lot. It's used in the parking lot. Ang sagot, fresnel light. Okay, fresnel light is the answer. Tama si Jodeline. Ngayon, huwag kayong makontento na ang alam nyo lang sa street light is about, sir, it is used in the parking lots. Kaya alam ko yan. Kasi guys, may iba pa yung no, meaning. Baka yun ang itanong sa inyo. Okay? So, dapat alam nyo rin yun that street light, no, produce a diffuse light rather than a directional beam. So I want you to remember that. This light is produced a diffuse light rather than a directional beam. So please remember that is number 20.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!